All right. Hello, good evening or good morning. This is Wale with the Unity Scale Tool tutorial. First things first, the only negative with this scale tool is just watch out for putting in your game art. Um, like, make sure your polished game art at the end is put in at the right size you actually want it to be, even if you use a scale tool to find out what size you want it to be, put it in at the right size. Because if you try and, like these receivers, if the texture is made for, like I did scale them up, but if these came out the box like this size and I scaled them up to the size they are now, the texture may come out stretched and it would look, I don't know, less than optimal. So we don't want that. But let me get into the scale tool real quick. This is a short one. I think if I keep this under 4 minutes, my screen recorder won't punish me. So the scale tool is the fourth tool on our floating toolbox, and you get all the axes. We normally use cubes, like this screen is made of the field is made of cubes. You get all the axes. That one doesn't really matter as much, just for this one, but you get all the axes, and sometimes you may have to zoom in to see all the axes because sometimes they like to hide next to the white one, and the white one is just for universal scaling, like that. Let's see. The biggest difference is I used to have to guess like what size I want to make these guys in the inspector. Like if I wanted to make them, I would literally in my head think, alright, I want them to be at least like half as big or half as tall. Boom. And then I would assume, oh, how do I make him equally as skinny to match whatever he just was when he was gigantic? And stuff like, you know what I mean, hope, and just play with the math for way too long. But now with the scale tool, if I want whatever size he is right now, I can universally scale him up 2 seconds. And like for cubes, like the sideline cube and the sideline cube, and the field, they're both the same cube. I just duplicated one, stretched it, and made it in 2 seconds instead of, can you imagine spending your whole night trying to get it just right in between these two lines, That would be no fun. So the scale tool just makes it so much easier to just find the right size for like your pseudocodes or like your placeholder stuff. It's called gray boxing, but yeah, for just your prototyping, super easy. Alright, that's really it. Like and subscribe and have a good one.